movies, music and games. Vivid 5.5-inch display to enjoy watching videos and playing games. No stereo speakers, but there is a headphone jack. We're increasingly being entertained by our phones, even with big screen TVs and tablets close by. For Android games and Facebook videos and short bursts, our phone is the go-to device. The Google Pixel XL gets the job done visually. It has that excellent AMOLED display that rocks deep blacks and saturated colors. They make movies and games seem impressive at 5.5 inches. However, we did run into a problem when holding the phone in landscape mode and trying to enjoy just about any two-handed game experience, like Futuristic Racer Breakneck. Covering up that one speaker soured our enjoyment just a little bit. Luckily, Google didn't follow Apple and Motorola's trend by killing off the headphone jack, so our quickest solution was a pair of earbuds. What's really a shame is that the Nexus 6P, which was cheaper and had a bigger 5.7-inch display, included stereo speakers, one at the top and one at the bottom. The omission of dual speakers here seems like a step backward.